Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen gadget that's all about making healthy eating fun and easy. We found the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Vegetable Spiralizer and have included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. The Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Vegetable Spiralizer is designed to transform your favorite fruits and vegetables into visually appealing noodles. Whether you're a fan of spaghetti, linguine, or ribbon-shaped veggies, this spiralizer makes it a breeze to create healthy alternatives to traditional pasta. With 3 cutting cones included, you can easily switch between different noodle styles, allowing you to get creative with your meals. One of the standout features of this spiralizer is its capacity. The large bowl can hold up to 6 cups of vegetable noodles, making it perfect for preparing meals for the whole family or for meal prep. No more fiddling with small batches, you can whip up a generous serving in one go. Another impressive aspect is how much time and effort this appliance saves you. Thanks to its large 2.5-inch round chute, you can process whole vegetables without the need for precutting. This is a real game changer for busy individuals or families, as it drastically reduces the prep time in the kitchen. Just toss in whole zucchinis, cucumbers, or squash, and let the spiralizer do the heavy lifting. The ease of use is a significant plus. With a secure metal food grip on the food pusher, your veggies will stay in place while they're being spiraled. Simply turn on the motor and gently push the food through, no hand cranking required. This means anyone can operate it, whether you're an experienced chef or just starting your cooking journey. Cleaning up after cooking can often be a hassle, but the Hamilton Beach Spiralizer makes this easy, too. All the removable parts are dishwasher safe, which simplifies the cleanup process. Plus, it comes with a cleaning brush for those who prefer to wash the cones by hand. This thoughtful design consideration ensures you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your delicious meals. So, who is this spiralizer suitable for? If you're someone who loves healthy eating, enjoys cooking, or is looking for ways to incorporate more vegetables into your diet, this product is a fantastic addition to your kitchen. It's also perfect for parents trying to encourage their kids to eat more greens by making meals more visually appealing and fun. Whether you're preparing Zoodles for a low-carb dinner or creating vibrant veggie ribbons for a salad, this spiralizer does it all. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine making a colorful stir-fry with spiralized bell peppers and carrots, or serving up a refreshing salad topped with zucchini ribbons. How about a comforting bowl of spaghetti made from spiralized sweet potatoes? The possibilities are endless. You can even use it to create garnishes for your dishes, adding flair to your presentations. In conclusion, the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Vegetable Spiralizer is a versatile and practical tool that can make healthy eating more enjoyable. With its ease of use, quick cleanup, and ability to create a variety of noodle shapes, it's a great investment for anyone looking to add some fun to their meals while prioritizing nutrition. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.